Mango growers, I am going to show you the pruning in mango, which is very important. Now we have about 2 years old plant. This is 2 years old plant. Basically we have to manage the canopy. How we are going to do it? Like now you see this one, these are all the branches which are inside. This I am going to prune, and this is also inner side shoot. I am going to prune. This also inner side shoot I am going to prune. So basically we should not remove the bottom bottom branches. These are the bottom branches which are giving the young shoots, and also they start flowering. So this is about the canopy management, because now you see I have cleared this one. So there will be a good light penetration, and also distance between one branch to the other branch is good, so that this can be regulated. So this is an important step. This is very important step in mango. The varieties like Alfonso, other varieties which are very bushy, and we can also do the stem pasting from here to here. So we can also make copper oxychloride, and also add any fungicide like Bavastin, and lime can also be added. Make a paste of it, and then paste from the bottom of the stem to till here. So that can be and also add any insecticide, for example chlorpyrifos or profenopos can also be added into it, and then pasting. This portion can be pasted in order to avoid the stem borer. The varieties like Alfonso is highly susceptible for stem borer, so that's why we can, by doing the stem pasting with fungicide and insecticide, we can reduce the incidence of stem borer laying the eggs, and this is how there will be a good ventilation. So this need to be managed very well in order to have a robust setting. So normally flowering happens in January. So January and February, and then the fruits harvest will start in April last week or May first week or May end. So this is how one has to do the pruning in mango. Thank you.